I know you're out there. I can feel you now. I know that you're afraid. You're afraid of us. You're afraid of change. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to hang up this phone, and then I'm going to show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
Islamabad declares Ghazwa Hind.
The story originates in the deserts of Syria. Born in Aleppo, he was a Sufi and a poet from the 14th and 15th centuries. He died in Iran, a poet, a seer, a believer, and probably one of the most important personalities to shape the Pakistani military. He was Shah Ni'matullah Wali. According to Shah Ni'matullah Wali, India will forego 4 wars with Pakistan. In the light of his predictions, it's concluded that there has been 2 such wars since their independence in 1947. Ni'matullah Wali mentioned War of 1965 would be the first war between India and Pakistan, and it would last for 17 days. He also said that the flag bearer of India would die at the negotiation table. Indian Prime Minister Mr. Shastri died in Tashkent due to a heart attack. Ni'matullah Wali said the second war with India would break Pakistan in 1971. East Pakistan separated as Bangladesh.
और जो हमें एक चीज बांग्लादेश के बनने में, ईस्ट पाकिस्तान के टूटने में हमें जो सबसे बड़ा सबक यह था कि मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन सियासी मसलों के हल नहीं है। लोग इंसाफ चाह रहे हैं, हकूक चाह रहे हैं, आपने मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन कर दिया। आज अगर ईस्ट पाकिस्तान रहता हमारे साथ, मैं आपको लिख के देता हूं कि कम से कम 4 मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन कर देने थे उनके ऊपर। बलूचिस्तान में 3 कर दिए हैं, फाटा में कर दिए हैं, सिंध में कर दिया एक दफा पहले 80s में, कराची के अंदर ऑपरेशन कर। ऑपरेशंस हल नहीं है, सियासी हल है इनके।
The war will be based on false accusations and erupt suddenly. The war will remain undecided, but as a result, an internal conflict with India would arise. As a result, whole India will undergo chaos and turmoil, and that will be the start of Ghazwa Hind.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Israel. Thank you, Prime Minister Modi. Thank you all.
Ghazwa Hind, the 4th and final battle, will be fought and will be a decisive battle. Warriors from the 4 corners would join hands and make an alliance against Hind and will conquer Hind up to the river Ganga. Ni'matullah describes this fierce battle that will last for 6 years and will be devastating for mankind. God has warned India. Kalki is said to appear during the end times according to Hindu scriptures. He appears in Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga can be described as end times, when evil will be at its highest. India will not be an exception. Look at the leaders that we have elected in India, the ministers that sit and discuss Indian affairs, and the oppression and injustice that they create.
That people still call you to your face a mass murderer, and they accuse you of being prejudiced against Muslims. Do you have an image problem?
I think it's not proper to say that people. There are 2 or 3 persons, those who used to talk in this terminology.
Even 5 years after the Gujarat killings of 2002, the ghost of Godhra still haunts you. Why have you not done more to allay that ghost?
This I gave it to the media persons like Karan Thapar. Let them do, let them enjoy.
Say it again.
Not necessary, I have to talk about the in 2007 everything, what you want to talk.
But by not saying it again, by not letting people hear the message repeatedly, you're allowing an image that is contrary to the interest of Gujarat to continue. It's in your hands to change it.
I'll have to rest.
दोस्ती बनी रहे, अपनी दोस्ती बनी रहे यार. You came here, I'm happy, I'm thankful to you. It's okay. Your things are, आपके ideas हैं, आप बोलते रहिए. 3-4 questions I will attend you.
But Modi sahab, Modi sahab.
कल देखो मैं दोस्ताना संबंध बनाना चाहता हूँ, आप उसको कोशिश कीजिए.
मुझे एक चीज समझाएं सर. I'm not talking about doing anything wrong. I'm saying why can't you correct the image?
मित्रों, मेरा हिंदुस्तानी भाइयों और बहनों, मैं भी एक हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. ये घबराने की बात नहीं है. गज़वा-ए हिंद एक रेवोल्यूशन की तरह होगा. पुराना में भी लिखा है, अवतार आएगा, कल्कि अवतार, देश मुक्त करने के लिए, आजाद करने के लिए, गज़वा-ए हिंद के लिए. বাংলাদেশের পরিস্থিতি এখন অনেক খারাপ. এই দেশের উপর অনেক মালাউনরা ইনফ্লুয়েন্স করেছে. মোদি যখন ঢাকাতে ছিল, ঢাকা ইউনিভার্সিটিতে, ওর মেইন এজেন্ডা ছিল ডিভিশন. এই শয়তান কেন 1971 ডিসকাস করলো? নিজেকে প্রশ্ন করো. এই শয়তান কেন বলল যে বাংলাদেশের ইতিহাস আর ভারতের ইতিহাস এক সমান? এই সন্ত্রাস, রাইট উইংড ন্যাশনালিস্ট কখনো দেশের উন্নতি পছন্দ করবে না. গজওয়া-এ হিন্দের দরকার. नरेंद्र मोदी तपा इमका राष्ट्रालय जितना कहंका उन्हीं नेपाला कहम दानी यो अपनाए सरका हो गजवा-ए हिंद से तनला ई प्रभवा रोकना आवश्यक. Wherever this country goes, it creates disaster. Netanyahu was in India, and he was there for 4 days. Straight after he left, India launched a nuclear missile, and they did it without any sort of protest from any country out there. Did Great Britain say anything? No. Did the United States say anything? No, because Israel is involved. You see the true picture, the clear picture, the wide picture. Wherever this country goes, it creates disaster, and it's going to create disaster in the Indian subcontinent. Give it another couple of years, and then you will see exactly what I am talking about. It's not just going to be Israel and India against Pakistan. It's going to be Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka against India. Because right now, India seems to think it's untouchable. The only thing they can speak of when it comes to untouchability is their Dalits. The people who are downtrodden and treated like garbage, the lower caste Hindus. They're not untouchable. India knows that it is dancing with the devil right now. And when a country dances with the devil, expect to be bitten.